Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.2 fifth sum. Let's see the question. Find the ratio in which the line segment A 1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. So a line is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of the division. So we need to find the coordinates too. Here I am taking this to be A and B. This is 1, minus 5 and B is minus 4, 5. They have told that a point, I am taking the point to be P, is divided by the x-axis, means x, 0. In x-axis there is no y point. Y will be equal to 0. So we can write in x-axis it is x, 0. We want to find the coordinates, that is x, 0 we want to find. They are given, it is in the ratio. So there is no ratio given. If there is no ratio given, we need to take the ratio to be k:1. So I am taking the ratio to be k:1. Here the points will be x1, y1. This will be x2, y2. We know as it is in ratio, we need to substitute the ratio formula. Your ratio formula always internally, if there is no information about internally or externally, it will be only internally. Now substitute the formula. Write the formula first. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma, same way m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Just substitute the value. We need to find the ratio as well as the point of intersection, that is the coordinates. So coordinates of P, that is x, 0. Now let us substitute the value. We know that m1, m2, as it is not given, we are taking it to be x, k and 1, that is equal to, we know the P point to be x, 0. So we can directly substitute the value of P as x, 0. Now m1 is k into x2 is minus 4 plus m2 is 1 into 1 plus 1 by m1 plus m2 is k plus 1, comma, same way for m1 y2. So k into 5 plus 1 into minus 5 by k plus 1. This is equal to x, 0. Here we can equate this to this and this to this. Now you see, we don't know k, we don't know x. If we equate the first one, we can't able to find anything, because in the equal to, there are two variables which we don't know, that is x and k. Let us take the second one. If we equate the second, always the first one is equal to the first one, the second one is equal to the second one. If we equate the second one, we don't know only one variable, which is only k, so that we can easily find out. So I'll go with the 0. Remember that if there is equal to any number or equal to any value, we can directly equate it to find the unknown variable. If there is two variable unknown, if we equate them, we can't able to find anything. So let us equate for the second one. So 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. If I take this k plus 1 to this side, it goes as multiply. As it is 0, totally it gets 0. So 0 into any number will be 0. So 5k minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 goes to this side, it comes as plus 5. So 5k is equal to 5, k is equal to 5 by 5, k will be equal to 1. We have found that k to be equal to 1. That means the ratio is 1:1, because k by 1 is 1 by 1. So the ratio is 1:1. Now we know the value of k. We can directly substitute to the first one to find the value of x. We want the value of x to write the coordinates. Just substitute the value of k over here and equate with the first one. Now if I substitute k, it becomes minus 4 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, which is equal to x. If I solve that, it becomes minus 3 by 2 will be equal to my x. They have asked for the coordinates, right? So the coordinates will be x comma 0, that is nothing but minus 3 by 2 comma 0 is the answer. So this is the coordinate and this is the ratio what they have asked for. That's all with the sum. Thank you.